Rogam, that is obesity. In the present world, about 40% to 60% people suffer with this very famous disease called obesity. Obesity, that is Rogam, occurs when the fat inside the body does not get dissolved properly and stays inside the body as additional tissue. This is when obesity occurs. This obesity is not a separate disease at all, but due to obesity, we may get a lot of other problems in our body. Out of all this, the most important point to be noted is, we have to note down the food that we are intaking. That is, food that are rich in fat, or oily foods, or even some unhygienic foods, and even food that cannot be easily digested by the body. And as we eat more of these food, liver is unable to digest it properly and convert it into energy as required because it is too much. And fructose is not converted into energy, and as a consequence, it is stored as fat tissue inside the body. The fat tissues are converted into lipids and are stored in the tummy region and other parts of the body, and it makes us look very ugly. Initially, it starts around the liver, and the liver is unable to work properly in the proper way. So this fat is stored on top of the muscles as in the form of lipids. The lipids are to be noted very importantly. If the liver is unable to control the lipids correctly, then diabetes, arthritis, constriction in the joints, and many such diseases also occur. For example, lumbar spondylosis, and the hip joints gets affected as well because of obesity. How to reduce obesity? Even today, a lot of research is going on. BMI is important. Body Mass Index. Using this body mass index, we will be able to find out what is the average content of fat stored in a body. But how do we calculate this BMI? It cannot be 100% perfect at all, because some people will be fat, fit, large and very heavy, but still they will have very less fat content. Some people will look very thin, but they will have more fat, because BMI is only going to give you an average of fat content inside your body. We can only take this as an additional factor, but not as the main factor determining the obesity of the body. The main way to control obesity and reduce obesity is by altering the proper food habits. This disease, in Ayurveda, according to Panchakarma treatment, Udvardhanam is the choice of treatment to cure this obesity problem completely. How? Udvardhanam is nothing but, we take the kapha pacifying ointments and do abhyangam on the body, that is gentle massage all over the body from top to bottom, and vata and pitta pacifying herbs are powdered into churnam, that is these leaves are completely dried, made into powder and taken in a bag, and we have to use this all over the body. From bottom to up, we have to start giving massage. This opens the pores, that is the skin pores open, and the lipids that are stored inside the body also dissolves. As the lipid dissolves, it comes out in the form of urine and motion from the body. Once Udvardhanam is completed, we have to take them for a steam bath. This steam bath helps us in opening up the pores of the body, increasing the speed of recovery from obesity completely.
With Panchakarma massage, the heaviness of heart can be controlled easily. Then, constriction of muscles can be lowered and can reduce the muscular pain.